Hello students, good morning. I am your teacher Jyotiranjan present here to discuss our new poem Jew Manners. So in yesterday class we have recited the poem and I told you to make a picture of a camel and find out the difficult words or new words. So today we are going to discuss about new words and also recite the poem again. So before discussing the new words we should recite the poem. Jew manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is wise as you are. He's as wise as you are me. And the penguins trotting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So there are some difficult words you have mentioned yesterday. So we also will also discuss the difficult words. So first of all, I told you to imagine about a zoo, and in generally we put wild animals in a zoo, and people go टू लुक एट दिम और फिर वो लोग क्या करते हैं उनको देखने के लिए उधर जाते हैं. डोंट मेक फन ऑफ द कैमल्स हम्प. हम्प मीन्स ए लार्ज स्वेलन एरिया ऑन द बैक ऑफ सम एनिमल्स. हम्प जो उसके पीठे जो कुब्जा जैसा होता है कैमल का उसको बोलते हैं हम्प. ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिज नोबल बम्प. दैट मीन्स ही इज सेटिस्फाइड विथ हिज मैग्निफिसेंट हम्प या फिर बम्प. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. You should not laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. The chimpanzee thinks he is also wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake. Penguins walk like parrots. Strutting means walk like parrot. Penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Here is also a difficult word, remark. Remark means to say something as a comment. What you are discussing about penguin, penguin can understand this. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. You should treat them as well as they treat you. Then you will be welcome at the zoo every time. So here is our poem Jew Manners. In this poem we discussed about how we should behave in a zoo or how we should behave inside a zoo and with the animals kept in the zoo. So we should be careful when we are going to visit the animals in the zoo, and we should not make fun of the camel's hump because he is also proud or he is very much satisfied with that magnificent hump. We should not laugh at the chimpanzee because chimpanzee thinks he is also wise in nature like you and me. And the penguins penguins were walking like parrot in the lake, and they can understand what we have discussed or they can understand what we comment about them. So if we are going to treat them very well, then we will be always welcome at the zoo. So I will write down the difficult words for you. First of all, you have to write down the poem today and make a picture of monkey. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.